Today we're going to be looking at what exactly an improper fraction is. And an improper fraction is whenever the numerator has a value that's equal to or greater than the value of the denominator. So my first step here is going to be to figure out the value of the denominator. And I can see here that each one of these shapes has been split into two equal parts. So I know that my denominator is going to have a value of 2 because each one of these shapes is split into two equal parts. And the next step here is going to be to figure out how many shaded in parts there are for the numerator. So let's go ahead and count these out. We have 1, 2, 3, 4. We have another one over here for 5 and 6, 7. So we have 7 shaded in parts. So our improper fraction here is going to be 7 over 2. And since we've been asked to write an improper fraction, we can go ahead and just leave this as is and keep it as 7 over 2. So to make sure that we understand this, why don't we go ahead and try another question? So I encourage you to give this a shot on your own, but remember our first step when we're writing an improper fraction is to figure out the number of equal parts in each whole object. And as we can see here, we have 3 squares and each square is divided into 4 equal parts. So we know that our denominator here is going to be 4. And now I need to figure out the value of the numerator. And since we're writing an improper fraction, the numerator is going to be a value that's greater than or equal to 4. So let's go ahead and just count the number of shaded in parts here. So as we can see in this first one, we have 1, 2, 3, 4 shaded in parts. And we have 2 more, so 5, 6 in the middle one. And lastly, in the last one, we have 3. So that gives us a total of 9 shaded in parts. So we know that our numerator is going to be 9 because there's 9 shaded in parts. So I hope this video has helped you to understand what an improper fraction is. Thanks again for watching, and please don't forget to hit the like and subscribe button below. As always, enjoy today's math lesson.